Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video and a new box swap. So this bad boy came and I've just been, again, like dying to get inside. So this time I'm doing a box swap with Ali, and her YouTube channel is Ohana Adventures. I will link it down below and right over here with you. And she shares that channel with her BFF Liz. They are just the best. They are so funny. Love their videos. Ali's actually so amazing at making her own ears. And I tell her all the time that she needs to make an Etsy shop, but she claims it's too much of a commitment and a responsibility. But anyways, they have so many fun videos. I love when those girls get together and they pour some wine and they just talk about Disney, different topics, experiences, food reviews, hotel reviews, just so many amazing things. So again, I reached out to Ali a couple of months ago and I asked her if she was interested in doing a box swap with me, and she agreed, and I was so happy, like yay. So we kind of like went around, you know, thinking again about the budget and the name. So we decided to call this box spa box swap with like a little bit of like Disney magic. And without further ado, let's open this box. So I briefly showed you the box. It's like this. They put a bazillion stamps on it. Ali was like, oh, what is that? So anyways, it's heavy. So I'm like, ooh, what's inside? All right, let's do this. I am so bad at opening stuff. You guys like my, oh wait, my shirt. It goes from nice to naughty. I think I got it last year in Costco, out of all places. And I wore it to the Mickey's Merry Christmas party last year. I think we all had like ugly sweaters. All right. I see stars. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's blown out a little bit because it's like white, but I can tell you right now that the box, whatever's in here, smells like a spa. Okay, I got this cute little card, and inside there are these little Mickeys. Oh my god, I don't want to throw them, and I don't want to let them go. They're like this. They're just tiny little Mickeys. See? Oh my gosh, so cute. These are so cute. I want to save them. Clear. Oh. Okay. So this was in the card. So I'm going to get to the card in just 1 second. So she sent me, and you know, I swear my YouTube friends just know me so well, because every time I go to Disney, I want to do pretty Disney nails. Now, I keep my nails pretty short, but my nail technician can't draw a pretty even Mickey. So, this is just perfect. It's white and black. Oh my gosh, Ali, this is so cute. This will be perfect to put on my nails right before a trip. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Thank you. Okay, so let me read the card. And it says, Anna, I hope you enjoyed the spa gift box. You deserve it, girl. Thanks for doing the swap with me. Happy holidays, Ohana Adventures. Ali. Oh, Ali, thank you. So this is the card again. Thank you so much, Ali. And like I said, thank you for doing this swap with me. It means so much, and you're just the sweetest, and I just love watching a channel, especially when you guys get together with Liz. It's always a good time. Okay, so where to start? Oh my god, magic inside. This is so cute. Of course it's not gonna focus. All right, let me open this. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, I'm smelling it. I'm not even telling you what's in here. So, these are, I'm assuming, bath bombs or something that goes into your bath. And they're in the shape of Mickey's. Yeah, they're bath bombs. They're Mickey bath bombs. Oh, cute. So this one says flower and garden. This is contemporary. It smells so good. And this one is sea salt, and it's like little Mickey's. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Wow. Thank you, Allie. Alright. I like how she wrapped it. You have to watch her video too. The one with my box. It's a good one. Alright, let me open our candles. Everything is packaged so well. Okay, the first one that I see that caught my eye, and I didn't even know they sell these at Bath and Body Works. This is amazing. So this one says, wine is my spirit animal. Yes, yes, yes indeed. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Oh my goodness. These are so good. I think these are both the same. I don't know what scent this is, but this smells good too. It's like that. Let's see what's here. This is the next one. I'm sorry, I have so many shadows. I need to figure this out because it just starts to get dark so fast, and it's just not good for YouTube because the light is just off. All right, so this is Bath Soak. I love this. And this is rose scented. Let me smell. Oh my gosh. I actually have very fond memories of my childhood with like rose scent smells. I used to be obsessed with like, I guess like air fresheners were really popular back in the day. So one of them was like a rose scent, and I used to love that. I used to spray that all the time. My mom would be like, no more. All right. I love this paper. This is, I like how Allie put it in a little Ziploc baggie because, you know, these things can explode. So this is Ultra Moisture Shea Butter Body Lotion. I'm sure this smells amazing. It does. Oh, I love all these things. And this is like that. This is like Christmas morning. Again, I said it last time and I say it again and I say it every time I open something. Alright, so next one. Allie. Oh my gosh, you are just amazing. Wow, like you just put like a cherry on top for this box swab. Wow. Oh my god, girl, you're the best. You are the best. Okay, so of course, when you're in the spa, right, with your girlfriends or by yourself, like, I think we could all use a little drink. Oh my goodness. Allie, this is just like, oh my god, like I'm smiling ear to ear. Yeah, wine is my favorite animal. Okay. Sorry, I have so much stuff on my table. Alright, so next little thing is over here. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Can we do this every year? Can we do this once a month? Ooh. Okay, so I got this pretty nail polish. I love that color. Alright, my kids are screaming. Everybody's home. And so this is so cute, and this came together. Oh my gosh, this is, I don't know that, I wonder if this one has exact name, but I love these because they just like, they make your nails like perfect. And you have to check out Alice's channel because she also does amazing manicures. I forgot what it's called, but she had a friend come over and they did like a vlog style, like small video, and they did nails and they put like these like stickers, like it's like a sticker nail polish. I don't even know what it's called, but I was like, my mind was blown. It was just so cute and just looked beautiful. So you have to subscribe to Alice's channel, Ohana Adventures. Don't forget. Okay. So cute. And there is a cinnamon one. And then there's a vanilla. This is gonna smell like a bakery. Delicious. I love vanilla. Vanilla smells so good. It's just bakery. And this is cinnamon. This smell, this particular cinnamon, reminds me of Big Red. Do you guys remember that gum, Big Red? I don't know how old you guys are, but in my time, in the late 80s and early 90s, that was like a popular flavor. This is what it smells like. Oh my goodness, that just like took me back to my childhood. Oh my god, Allie, you're just the best. And of course, this little thing. Oh my gosh, I love these. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Tissue paper is just like the bomb. Alright, I just double checked to make sure I didn't miss anything because I tend to miss stuff. Oh my goodness, Allie, you went above and beyond. Like, thank you so much. What an amazing I'm like covered in paper over here and bubble wrap. It's like I am so excited to use these. Oh my goodness. And I like this. I'm speechless. I don't even know what I'm saying. Sorry, I have like little fuzzies flying around. But this is just so perfect, Allie. Thank you so much. This is like, you got me, girl. You know me. Anyways, I enjoyed this so much. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for doing this box swap with me. I had such an amazing time. This was really fun and everything is perfect. Everything smells good. I'm gonna have to like save this one forever. Good thing that I have two because this right here, wine is my spirit animal. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this box swap unboxing as much as I did. I really like Christmas morning. Can we do this every single day? This is so much fun. Be sure to head over to Alice's channel. Again, it's Ohana Adventures, and she shares that channel with her BFF Liz, and they are just amazing girls. So fun, so honest, just always a good time. Amazing. Thank you again, and happy holidays, and I'll see you real soon. Bye!